Breaking the Wall of Breast Cancer Diagnosis. Michelle Stephen. Falling Walls Lab, Tishwani.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and advocates for better healthcare. If I woke up this morning with a lump in my breast, and I, like 83% of my fellow South Africans, relied on the state healthcare system, it would take me, on average, 256 days to receive a clinical referral, a consultation, a mammogram, tissue biopsy, and definite diagnosis. Not to mention that this costs the government over €1,000 worth of resources. The mammograms are only 36% effective in women younger than the age of 50 years old, and the biopsies are highly invasive. We all understand that the detection of breast cancer, especially early detection, is vital for treatment. And unfortunately, in Southern Africa, most women are only diagnosed when the breast cancer is already advanced. This drastically reduces their chances of survival. This is where the revolutionary breast cancer diagnostic tool, the cell-free DNA biopsy, will demolish the walls of breast cancer treatment. So how does it work? Well, every cell in our body contains DNA. And fragments of this DNA is constantly being released into our bloodstream. If we have a tumor in our body, it will also be released into our bloodstream. So with just one vial of blood, we can actually extract the cell-free and tumor DNA, sequence it, and analyze it using an AI model. The model actually compares the tumor-specific DNA patterns to a healthy DNA reference, and this allows us to actually early detect breast cancer even at its earliest stages, more simply and more cost-effective. Through European collaboration and funding, we are currently testing this diagnostic tool in 2 state hospitals in South Africa. The ultimate goal is to make this diagnostic tool available for all, regardless of socioeconomic background, and drastically reducing the time and the cost for this. The diagnostic tool is not only for breast cancer. We can also actually use this for multiple cancers as well, creating a more simple, less invasive, and cost-effective tool. The dream is that I can wake up one morning and take a simple blood test to screen for multiple cancers, months before I feel that lump. This is not just a technological advancement. This breaks down the walls of inequality in healthcare, the fears that transform fear into hope, and the walls for a greater, healthier, and more resilient society. Thank you.